Yes, connected speech does really matter in your teaching, but interestingly, I think it matters more in helping our students to decode what they hear. Therefore, connected speech and its features are really important for listening skills. Of course, it is also important for speaking skills, but it will really depend on where your students are learning English and who they intend to use English with in their daily life that will help you and them to be guided to a principled decision of how much connected speech features in your teaching. Received pronunciation for many years was the default position for course books and English learning materials. However, and it is a big however, there is research that suggests that really pure RP, received pronunciation, can in fact be a problem for learners because frankly, so few people speak it these days. Now, in some countries, RP is still considered to be the model that all learners should aspire to. And I think this is perhaps an old-fashioned view. Much more important, I think, is to look for a model of English which will help your learners as effective communicators. And for many, where they're using English as a contact language with speakers from other languages, then the features of the English Lingua Franca core will be much more important than looking for a very pure RP accent. After all, if you've got students who come to the United Kingdom, most of them will never hear RP at all.